Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to finish off by doing some different types of grasses. So we've got all the lavender stitched in place now, so you should have something that looks fairly similar to that. So what we're going to do now is just put a few grass stems in, maybe one sort of about there like that, and one maybe coming up a bit more like that there, and another one coming up about there like that. There we are, and I'm going to stitch those using the 616 lighter green thread. I'll just move that mount off, move my machine forward. Already got this threaded into my machine. So I'm just going to go to the top and bring up my bobbin thread as usual. And that's it. And just make sure that that's tight. Okay. So then I am going to make a start, and we're just going to do each stitch down each stem once. So I'm going to start here. Like this. That's it. And then jump across to this one. And then just stitch up here. That's it. And then this one here. That's all you need to do for that. Now then, I'm just going to cut that now. And just trim off all the bits of thread that are in between, the bits I don't want. Okay, so now we've got to put the tops on our grasses. So what we're going to do is we're going to use a free motion zigzag. So we get our machine. Now then, on my machine, zigzag is a 07. So I come over to here. It'll be different on different makes of machine, but I've put mine to 07. And then you just don't worry about the length, because you're in charge of the length because you're doing free motion. So you just want to change the width. So you want to bring the width down to about 1.5. And then what we're going to do is gradually increase the width as we come up the stem. So we'll bring that down there. Let's just make sure you're in the right place. So I will start here, bring that up and down. Okay, so I'm just going to start, and I'm going to do probably about three or so stitches on the 1.5, and then gradually increase it up to about 3.5. So just a few stitches of each width. So up, and we go up here to the next one, and then we go back down in width to the 1.5 to start with. There we are, and then over to this one. And just cut those away like that. And then it's just a case of trimming in between these as well. And there we are, and you can see those. Now then, just to finish off, I'm going to use the same colour thread that I've put in a hand sewing needle, and I'm going to just finish by just doing a few strands to give some basic grass, just to thicken up the base of the picture a bit, give a bit more interest. So we just stitch this over a few times to make sure that that's cast on nicely. Then we turn over, and then starting so that we are out of view once the mount will be coming over the top, we pull up, we work out where we want our grass to go, and then we just pop our needle in there like that, and then we look at the next place we want our grass to go and we bring that up and down, and we just keep on doing this until we're happy that it's full enough. You can use some of the other shade of green if you want to as well. Make sure they're different lengths and that they're also different. Oh, I've nearly lost my thread there. Make sure they're different lengths and they are also different angles. There we are. There. And then I will cast off at the back, and that will just need a good press ready for mounting.